Alright, we are going to do a cold start on my old Dodge here because it's been sitting here for a couple of days and it was chilly. It's chilly at night, but it's kind of warmish during the day. But it is a 95. I use it to just do some work, messing around, picking up parts for the dump truck. That's about it. But my old horsepower by Antrim diesel sticker. That's right. I'm gonna set it down so hopefully you guys can get a good view of the exhaust here. Alright. Much, but like I said, it's been kind of warmish anyway. That old big truck running, 7-inch pipes. Alright, this right here, it's the same way. This has got a 66 millimeter turbo on it. It's got the PDI manifold. I had valve springs installed in the head with a little bit of valve work. It's got the Big Stick 3 cam in it, and this is a 33 millimeter injection pump. It's got the big delivery valves. It's got full 4,500, 5,000 governor springs in it. I've only had 4,000. If it warms up, I'll show you here in a minute. But yeah, I don't know what kind of horsepower it has. I mean, I know it will. It's fast. It's pretty fast. And it pulls hard. Now, I don't know if you get the whole video of the motor and everything right here. Let's see what I do real quick. I wish I could get it over there and get some smoke blowing out of it before we got it. Alright guys, I'm just goofing off. Oh, here, let's go inside here. I'll show you these governor springs. See if we can get it up there a little bit before we get it. I'm kind of tight between here and my dump truck. Right here. Shoot. Let me walk right over here. I gotta unlock the door. I locked it on that side. So let's see. We'll walk over here real quick. Like I said, it'll keep climbing, but it's really cold. The engine is anyway, and I ain't gonna blow it apart. So, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Please comment, rate, subscribe, hit the like button, yada yada, whatever you gotta do. Talk to you later.